Let's take a look at what I bought. Probably gonna kill myself on this thing. Oh my god, it weighs. Power cable. You've seen this. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna kill myself. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Santa Cruz, California, I give you the Onewheel Pint. So here we are. This is a bit of a trail I took on Saturday morning. It's about 7 AM. I'd already done about 2 miles so far on this run, so it was a 4-mile run or a 7.4 kilometre run, and just having so much fun. I use this thing to get to work on some particularly sketchy British footpaths. You guys in the States have got no idea the crap we have to go through in England with our really badly maintained footpaths and cycle paths. I'm not going to say it's easy to learn, because there is a learning curve, but most of the balance, certainly forward and backwards, is done by the gyros. It's all gimbaled up, so it balances forward and back for you, and you lean forward or put weight on the front to go forward and put weight on the back to brake. But it's the moving slowly is a bit of a bugger, because that's when your side body's balance comes in, and that's down to you, not the board. So it does take a little bit of practice, but oh wow, is it worth it. It's so much fun. I've only had it a week and I am absolutely loving it. It's got a 750 watt motor, and it takes about 2 hours to charge, and from 0 to 100, and that gives you 5 to 8 miles or 11 to 13 kilometres range, and it actually does that as well. The specs they give are actually real world specs. Most people are finding that that's the range that they get. It does depend on the terrain you use and how much weight you're carrying on the board, but it'll carry up to 250 pounds or 114 kilos of weight on the board. So if you're fat, well, you can still ride it. This is the Onewheel Pint, and this has got a top speed of 16 miles an hour. There is a XR version, an extended range version, that gives you a 15-mile range, I think, something like that, 15 to 18-mile range, and that goes up to 20 miles an hour. But that handle is very different. It's a very different animal. It's not as nimble as this one. This one's much more useful for urban work. If you're doing a lot of off-roading and stuff, then you probably want to get the XR. I'll be getting some drone footage of me riding this at some point, but today was a bit windy on this run for the drone. It was 18 miles an hour. Didn't really want to be trying to drive and fly at the same time in 18 miles an hour. But yeah, expect to see some overhead footage of me carving up the road.